Hey everyone, welcome to HD Tech. Today we're going to be checking out the Nokia 5.3. Now this is the most recent Nokia phone that launched in India. It actually launched alongside the Nokia C3, which is an entry-level smartphone, the Nokia 150 and 125, which are feature phones. So let's not waste any time and open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that you get when you open the box is obviously the smartphone. This is the Nokia 5.3 and the color variant that we have here is charcoal. It comes in two more colors of cyan and sand. Let's keep the phone aside and see what else is inside the box. What we have here is a pair of earphones, and if you look closely, they look quite like the earphones that we would get with Nokia phones some years back. The next thing here is the charging brick. It's a pretty light adapter. And the next thing here is the charging cable for the 5.3. And as you can see here, it's a USB Type-C cable. Let's see what else is inside the box. Now here you have the manual for the Nokia 5.3. And in this packet here you have a case for the smartphone. This is a clear transparent case for the smartphone and the material is of rubber. So this is what you get inside the box of the Nokia 5.3. There's a clear case cover, the phone obviously. Then you get the charging brick, the charging cable, and you also get a pair of earphones. So this is the Nokia 5.3. We'll be back with more such videos, so keep watching this space.